transforming a house into a home. When this client found me, they have consulted 3 to 5 designers. They had very small kitchens. This kind of house hasn't changed over the years. They want a major upgrade. I first arranged for an hour-long on-site consultation. Discuss solutions with homeowners according to their needs. I quickly identified my target. The house is approximately 3,000 square feet, but originally there were only 2 bathrooms with showers. Therefore, I converted it into 3 suites plus a study. Increased house values. It also makes living more convenient. It is especially comfortable when parents are visiting. Additional toilets in addition to space rezoning. Adding and hiding pipes. Also the most challenging. With years of experience, coordinate with various professional masters. Let every design have a workable solution. The kitchen on the first floor was originally limited to the location of the dining room. Very cramped. Unable to increase guide. But we made a decision to step outside the box. Move the kitchen to the current family room location. Created an oversized kitchen. Satisfy their love of cooking. The oversized island is not only spacious for 2 people to use at ordinary times. Add 2 chairs when parents come. Can be shared by 4 people. Add a doorway between the dining room and the family room. Optimized the connection between spaces. Make the overall movement more smooth and natural. This design completely opened up the kitchen and family space. Significantly improved the quality of life for customers. The end customer is very satisfied. This renovation, not only does it have a more convenient living space, housing values have also risen. Imagine that. Does your home have the same potential? Waiting to be discovered? Welcome to contact me. Start your own home upgrade journey.